If you want to install WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you need to open the Play Store. Then at the bottom, choose Search. Now at the top, you have this search field. You can tap on it in order to show the keyboard, and you can enter WhatsApp. There we go. This is the app that we want to download, so press install, wait for the app to be downloaded and installed on your phone. Once it is done, you can just press open over here, and of course you will also find the app either in the home screen or in the app drawer. I mean, in the app drawer you'll find it certainly, but it might also be added into the home screen. So let's find out if that is the case. So I'm not gonna open it immediately. I'm gonna check the home screen and the app drawer. Alright, so let's go back. And alright, so the app wasn't added to the home screen, but if you open the app drawer, then you should be able to find it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.